Hey everybody, you watch GTSam, I'm Sam, and we're here tonight because you remember the Crusty Cadillac, right? Well, it's going goodbye tomorrow. So I'm pretty happy about that. Here it is, just hanging around and, well, just getting worse. So someone's coming to pick it up because they just want the panels off of it. Great, you can take the panels, they're fine. So have fun, it's a little grassy, but should be pretty good. I'm pretty happy about that. Yeah, everything's there, and well, it's not going to be there for soon because I'm taking the catalytic converters. Made a deal for that. He's going to take the car for a reduced price, and I'm going to take the catalytic converters. So let's close this up, get to it. Got my best setup ever right here. Check it out. All the way over there. Running a cable all the way over to here. So no, this isn't ideal, but we got to do what we got. Where it gets spicy. Got a new disc on there, and I got three stands pretty much. 1, 2, 3 with something in the front there. So this should not go anywhere, but we got to go all the way up in there and just cut over here, and I might just take more of the exhaust system because I'm not gonna be able to use it anyway. So let's get cracking. Well, I think after all this, I'm gonna invest in a Sawzall. That'd be nice. They were cheap enough, right? I mean, how much are they really? I need to go buy one. This does good, but not for long ranges and deep spots. So, and hard to reach places. You gotta be like straight in. No, this thing's just pretty lumpy. So I'm gonna go wait and do some research. Hello everyone, you watching GTSam, and it's morning, and we're back at the Cadillac, and we still got these big crickets. They're kind of big. And so, we never got to actually finish last night. We're back at it, and we're just finishing up my cuts because I have the new tools for the collection that I think would be quintessential to everything I really do from here on out, especially a lot of metal cutting. And here we go. We got this. And so 10 amps, pretty high RPM, 60% more power, tool-free blade change, anti-vibration control, industry leading. So this is pretty nice. You know, not the cheapest, not the most expensive. I think it's going to do really well for what I do. And we got some, I'd say, pretty good blades here. Not carbide, but they're the bi-metal teeth for metal 4 times longer, durability, all this good stuff on here. And so I think this should do very well. And I think it's going to be long enough too. So let's go ahead and start getting this all together. Let's get back under here. I'll show you where we're at just real quick. So you probably don't even know what actually is happening with this whole crusty old thing here. Well, something great. So I'm selling it, and they're doing a reduced price a little bit. And so the guy's coming like 8 hours away for this. He really wants it. He just needs panels off of it. So I'm like, great. That's what it's perfect for. And he said, can you do this price? And I was like, I'll do this price if I can take the exhaust system. So we made an agreement. That's what we're doing. He's going to come get it tomorrow. And so I need the exhaust system because I still need to make money back. Not about charity on this one. So, and it still has some good panels on it, so that's for sure. After that, I don't think he's going to do much with it, except maybe he'll part it out himself too. So that's where I come into play, and that's why we have these tools. Oh man, I like this. This feels good in hand. This is good stuff. I'm glad I went for the more expensive one. And a free blade. Lemon lime. It's stuck. Okay, I finally got it. I find it a little strange. I actually had to use these and clamp on very tightly and then twist. If you can't do it with your fingers, then somebody is doing something very wrong. Me or the company. Alright, there's no way I'm getting that catalytic converter around on the driver's side. I keep hitting it, everything with the Sawzall, the starter, and the shield around that. This does not enough room to go all the way through. So I have another idea. I'm going to go for the top. I see 4 bolts that are hopefully easy accessible. And what I'm able to find out is they don't look too bad. Now I'm going to try, so really get to it, is this stuff. Did you guys ever try this? Free all? Deep entering all screws, nuts, and bolts. Guaranteed. So going free 4 years of experience. Professional level, I guess. So, have you ever used this? How's it work for you? Let me know in the comments down below, because otherwise I'll try some WD-40 or other stuff as well. Okay, going over yonder. Just like the very last one. Yeah, you can kind of see it. So the first one's there, right behind it. It was pretty ridiculous. So the results are in. This is what they look like. And all in all, it's not horrible. The outside is disgusting. So I'm just glad to get them all out. So I wonder if we get to move this converter now. Watch, something stupid's probably holding in the way. Ooh, yay! Ooh. Yes. Come on out. That's right. Come on. Yes. Come on. Good money. Big money. Big money. Yes. Come on. Oh, I got the stupid sensor in the way. Give me my clippers. Give me. Come on. All right. Oh. My eye. My eye. Boy, don't even ask me how I got it out, but I did. Lots of turning and maneuvering, but if you have to bend and squeeze a catalytic converter in a system like this and pinch it in, then it's too tight. All right, look, this is just squeezing and pinching. This is dumb, but boy, this better be worth like gold, man, for all that work. Well, it happened. I'm the proud owner of 2 unhealthy catalytic converters. Yes, it is out. This one is actually easier to pull out than the other one. This one is a little bit quicker. That looks like a stick now. That's not even a bolt anymore. So, wouldn't even been worth trying to get them out with, the normal way. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and try get the rest of the exhaust out. This will be fun, right? I'm pleased to report the Cadillac CTS Crusty Cadillac exhaust is officially out. All of it. Whew, that was a chore. This thing, huge. And like I said before, these were lifted up by a forklift before. Nothing didn't phase them, man. Freaking resonator. Is this another resonator? No, wait. Are these? No, these can't be 2 catalytic converters. Someone to come get the Crusty Cadillac, and it's been a couple of days waiting for this, and he's coming like 8 hours away. Okay, fine. I got the whole exhaust system out, as you've seen, and now he wants to cut the drive shaft out because it's all we were driving and take it back on the 2-wheel dolly. I was like, whatever, it's yours after you pay for it. You could do whatever you want. But then he just asked me, hey, I'm on my way, almost there. Can you cut the drive shaft for me? I was like, no. I was like, I have no experience doing that, and I'm not doing that now. Nope. You could do whatever you want after you pay for that. So while I wait, I'm gonna go work on the old Honda Civic. Sometimes I wonder if these people aren't like Facebook Marketplace or just scammers, or are they legit? Because I'm still here waiting, and it's been about an hour and a half after he said he'd be here. I just did a crap ton of work to my Honda Civic. I did some driving. I got the Cadillac ready. I don't know what else I do. Yeah, 9:27, hour and a half later. So again, just makes me a little suspicious, but is this a scam? Guess we'll find out hopefully soon. Give him another call. He said he was almost here. Ugh. That looks pretty stable. Woo! Nice, Josh.
So, I guess I'm gonna just try and cut it good.
This is the redneck version of a lift for a car. It's great. I thought you were gonna bring out the small thing to lift up the car, but this is the big boy. Looking good. Working. Okay. Yeah, looking good. And just like that, we're getting close to 11 o'clock, but the Cadillac is on the way. It's now leaving, and it's on the two-wheel dolly for an all-wheel drive car. Interesting, right? Well, we went ahead and made it into I don't know what kind of drive it is now. I guess it's front-wheel drive at this point, so hooked up, ready to go. As you saw, we took out the drive shaft in the back, and that's it. So guys, what do you think of this video and the Crusty Cadillac? It's over, it's gone. I'm gonna kind of miss it. It's a nice piece just sitting on the lawn, but we don't need that. So guys, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up right there, and make sure you subscribe for more video content coming your way, kind of like this, but even more better stuff. Leave some comments down below if you have any questions or comments about any of this process going on here, and anything about the catalytic converters that need help getting them taken out. I'd love to answer any of those questions. So, without further ado, I'm going home. I gotta work tomorrow, and I'm hungry. So guys, thank you so much for watching. This is GTSam. I'm gonna catch you next time.